You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more brand names that too many people mispronounce. Stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. Alpenliebe, meaning the love from the Alps, the name of sweets or candies, a word from German. Alpenliebe, Alpenliebe, it's easy, and now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, it helps me immensely. Thanks for this, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.